What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a pencil illustration of Toxin from Venom 3. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'll begin today's lesson with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. Now the first thing you want to do is set up our drawing with a set of guidelines. Let's start right in the center of our page at the very top. It's going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Just using these short lines. Now let's move back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to use these two lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. So from that center point, let's just move up to right about here. Just going to mark off the top of our circle. Now I want to measure this distance from the center down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center towards the left and then the right side. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So I'm going to start with the top left, and the circle doesn't have to be perfect, we're just using this as a guide. And just go back and just smooth this out as best we can. Now with our guidelines and circle in place, we're going to start modifying the shape of the head. Let's start from the center of our circle and draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Just going halfway along this curve. This is the back edge of the head. Now from this line, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of our circle. Let's go back to the center of our circle, draw a straight line coming down and out towards that bottom line. Come all the way down towards the bottom of the jaw. Now we want to trace this line along the bottom. So coming down and in towards the bottom of our circle, go straight down, and we'll just flatten off the bottom of the jaw. Let's go up to the base of the head, draw a straight line going back, come down to the bottom and do the same thing. Now from here, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the mouth. We're just going to curve this across and then down. Now I'm just going to pull this up and then back in across the back of the mouth. Let's place the eye in this quarter of our circle. So from the left, step in, trace that circle going up towards the top, bend this down and back out towards the left. Now that we have the basic shape of the head, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now that we've cleaned up our drawing, I'm going to go back in and use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more detail and refine the shapes. Now I want to add a little bit of detail to the eyes. So from the inside, I'm just going to curve this down and just add a bend going up across the brow. I'm just going to add some detail across the bottom edge of the eye. So we're just going to break this up with a few points and just working our way across. We want this to look a little bit organic. Just working our way up toward the top of the eye and then across the top. And just wobbling that line, just breaking that up, and then bringing that down. Just going to draw the back side of the brow along the outside of our circle, and then bend that in across the top of the head. From here, let's pull the front of the head going out, and then down. Now in this area, we're going to add the teeth, but with the gum line across the top. So we're going to start down here, bend this up towards the eye, and then back down. Just going to add these curves going around, going towards the corner of the mouth. And we're just going to layer the teeth underneath, using this space as a guide. I'm just pushing the teeth forward from the gum line. Let's add a few teeth on the outside. Now I'm just going to pull the mouth coming across the jaw and then down. And I want to draw the back teeth inside this area. So I just want to see the silhouette coming down towards that point. Just bending that back in. Stretch the jaw coming out. Now along this line, we're just going to add some teeth going up. Just come down towards the chin. Now just adding a bit more shape to the chin and jawline. Right here, we're going to draw the neck coming across and in towards the body. Round up the front of the neck, coming down. I'm just going to hunch the back, going up and out. Now with our rough sketch in place, let's go back and clean this up so we can get a better look at our proportions. Now I'm going to switch to my 0.9mm pencil and start adding some contrast to our drawing. So I'm just going to start with the eyes. Now along this line, I'm just going to add some folds going around the top. And I'm also applying some thick and thin lines. So adding some thick lines across the bottom where the shadows would be. And this will give our drawing a little bit of weight. I'm just going to draw the silhouette of the back row with teeth so you can see the underside of the mouth. And then go back and just darken up the back side of the mouth. Now we're just going to do one final cleanup before we add some more detail and shading. Now along the back side of the mouth, we're just going to add some saliva coming down from the tooth and just bending that back up. So you want to stretch that from the tooth coming up. Let's add a few more. Now along the perimeter of the eyes, I'm just going to add some veins. So this fine detail going around. I'm just going to add some spots and holes around the eye. Now around the base of the gum line, I'm just going to add a core shadow. So leaving a little bit of a gap for highlight and just feathering this up and in. Add a little bit of a reflection to the teeth on the outside edge, darkening up the top, and then fading that down towards a point. Now, as I get closer to wrapping up my drawing, I'm just going to add a little bit more detail and shading, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Toxin from Venom 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.